Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 on Windows 7, 8, and 10 so you can experience faster browsing speeds and enhanced privacy on your PC in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Network and Sharing Center. The first step is navigating to the core connectivity settings of your Windows operating system where all your internet protocols are managed. Click on the Start menu and type Control Panel into the search bar. Open it and then look for Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click the link that says Change Adapter Settings. In 2026, even on legacy systems like Windows 7 or 8, the control panel remains the most reliable way to access deep network hardware settings. By reaching the Adapter Settings window, you are looking at the direct digital doorway your computer uses to talk to the web, allowing you to bypass your ISP's default and often slower DNS servers. Next, access your active connection properties. Now that you can see your network adapters, you need to select the specific one that is currently providing your internet access. Look for your active connection. It will usually be labeled Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click on it and select Properties from the bottom of the menu. In the small window that pops up, scroll through the list under This connection uses the following items until you find Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Lastly, manually configure the DNS server addresses. This is the most critical stage where you actually input the Cloudflare coordinates to redirect your web requests. With Internet Protocol version 4 highlighted, click the Properties button. In the next window, look at the bottom half and select the radio button that says Use the following DNS server addresses. Type the following numbers into the boxes. Preferred DNS server is 1.1.1.1. Alternate DNS server is 1.0.0.1. Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 is widely regarded in 2026 as the fastest public DNS resolver in the world. By entering these specific addresses, you ensure that every time you type a website name, Cloudflare finds the IP address for you instantly. And that's pretty much it. To switch to Cloudflare DNS in 2026, navigate to your network adapter properties through the control panel, select IPv4, and manually enter 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.